too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. No,
What are you
you're done
doing
too.
right
Let's
now?
go.
What the fuck? What are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop.
Can you let me show you my ID?
Please stop.
I'm
swear to
telling
God,
you
my
right
phone's right
now,
here.
you are under arrest also.
Stop. Please stop. I swear to God.
A young woman trying to get her own ID. A relative who would not stay out of it. A demand for a female officer. And a jurisdictional framework that runs differently from anything most Americans encounter on land. March 16th, 2024. A cruise ship investigation into suspected underage drinking. Within 90 seconds, 2 passengers are under arrest. Multiple bystanders are demanding accommodation. And the question becomes, which body of law actually controls?
You have to wear a license. You have
Okay.
to wear it for your permit.
She's getting her ID, man. Sure I can. Come on. Here, let's go. Come on. Come on.
Officer, stop.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Can I just get my
Come on.
ID?
I'm not.
Your ID.
Excuse me.
Don't resist. Don't resist. For real. For real. For real. Here, back up. Back up. Back up.
Come on, man.
Can I just get my
Are you
ID?
serious? You can't give the girl a few minutes to get her ID, dude? Are you serious?
He's not having it. Don't grab the purse.
Yeah, I'm grabbing hers because it was in her possession at the time that I
No,
took her
if it was, then why don't you let you give her the purse?
Go. Step off. Step off. Step off.
Nothing better to do.
Nope.
Why?
Step off.
Don't push her.
Step off.
Wait, but where's the
Come on, let's go.
Can you?
Come on.
Do not.
Excuse me. You're under arrest now too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. No,
What are you
you're done
doing
too.
right
Let's
now?
go.
What the fuck? What are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop.
Can you let me show you my ID?
Please stop.
I'm
swear to
telling
God,
you
my
right
phone's right
now, you
here.
are under arrest also.
Stop. Please stop. I swear to God. Please stop. I promise you, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Climb up.
I'm right here, girls. I'm right here with you.
Climb up.
I promise you, I'm not doing
Climb up.
anything.
Stop. Why you gotta be
Lady,
like this?
just go up.
Do not.
Stop.
Stop fighting him. Stop fighting
Stop.
him.
Stop.
You're acting
Hey,
weird.
stop
Go.
My job is here.
I don't care. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Female officer, right now. Female officer, right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Sure.
Right now.
All the way over.
Right now.
Yep.
Right now.
You've been doing too much, dude.
Right
Go.
now, dude. What is wrong
Go.
with you?
Step up.
It's okay.
Step
Ladies,
up.
I'm with you. Ladies, I stand with you.
Step up.
Go up. Maggie, go up. Maggie, just go. Maggie, go.
Come on, man.
Maggie, go.
Don't touch her. Don't
We want a
fucking touch
female
her.
officer right now.
Don't fucking touch her.
A female officer right now.
Are you
Just
serious?
stay up
Go
there. Stay
up.
up there. Stay up there.
Go
Just
up.
stay. Baby girl, just stay.
Go
A
up.
female officer right
Go
now.
up.
Right now. Don't touch
Go
her.
up.
No,
Call him
female
right now. I want
officer.
All the way over.
All the way over.
All the way over.
Call your captain, bro.
I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
All the way back to the boat.
On the boat.
Bro.
All the way to the back of the boat.
You guys just on tape, right?
I don't even know what happened.
Right now, dude.
Sit.
No, call him.
We want a
away.
female officer.
Okay. Why? Why?
We want a female
Bro.
officer.
Go sit back down.
We want a female
Go sit back
officer.
down.
We
Call
want
the
a
captain right now, bro.
we want a female officer here now.
Sit down.
Female officer right now.
The jurisdictional framework is Title 18, United States Code, Section 7. Special maritime and territorial jurisdiction reaches any vessel owned in whole or part by a U.S. person, and any foreign vessel, during a voyage with scheduled departure from, or arrival in a U.S. port. American constitutional principles apply. The chain of authority, however, runs differently. A cruise security officer is not a sworn peace officer in the constitutional sense. He acts under the captain's authority, which the Supreme Court in Norris v. United States described as broad and necessary for the maintenance of order on a vessel. The Cruise Vessel Security and Safety Act of 2010, codified at Title 46, United States Code, Section 70,101 and following, requires cruise lines to report 8 categories of serious onboard incidents directly to the FBI. The conduct visible here does not meet that threshold. Underlying jurisdictional framework still governs. The underlying offense being investigated is Florida Statute Section 562.111 Possession of alcoholic beverages by persons under 21. First-degree misdemeanor. The crews embarked from a Florida port, which makes Florida law the operative substantive framework for any subsequent land-based prosecution. The third-party intervention question is the harder legal issue. Under the law of every state, and under federal law applied within special maritime jurisdiction, a bystander may not physically interfere with a lawful detention. Speech alone, including criticism of officers, remains protected under City of Houston v. Hill. The constitutional line crosses the moment a bystander reaches for property the officer has lawfully seized. Quote on the Bodycam, "Don't grab the purse." Officers reply, "I'm grabbing the purse because it was in her possession at the time." That contemporaneous articulation is the foundation of the resisting charge that follows. Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor. The Florida Supreme Court in Polite v. State confirmed it is a general intent crime. Knowing obstruction of a lawful duty satisfies the statute. Physical positioning between officer and detainee qualifies as obstruction. The female officer request raises the religious accommodation question. There is no constitutional right to a same-gender officer in every encounter. But the Religious Freedom Restoration Act framework, at Title 42, United States Code, Section 2000 BB1, combined with industry best practice, supports honoring sincere religious requests where operationally feasible. The responding officers did, in fact, summon a female officer. That accommodation converted what could have been a civil rights complaint into a successfully managed encounter. Under Title VII analogs and the Federal Accommodation Framework, voluntary compliance with a sincere religious request is the cleanest defensive posture available to a responding agency.
This is again. Don't listen. Don't follow instructions. We don't do what we're supposed to do. And lo and behold, here we are arrested again.
I understand what you're saying, but the videos, I never said anybody under the age of 21 years old a drink.
Actually, you did.
No,
But that's
I did
okay.
not.
I'm
Okay.
going to take this off your head real quick.
I'm not getting involved. Right now, I just need you to sit on the floor. That way we can get back safely.
534. I'll be having 2 parking problems, Stewart Beach. 534, that was parking problem, Stewart Beach.
Hat back on for you.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
It's the only way it's going to make it back with you.
Well, I'll hold it, thank you.
It's okay, just start over. Just start out. It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Is it going to stay on my head? No.
Yeah. I'm not going to go very fast.
Okay.
15, 5. 500.
Okay, all the way down like your mom, please.
It's not my mom.
Okay, all the way down, please.
Like your mom. I got old. I look that old.
You were the one who told me that you were her mom.
No, I'm not her mom. That's my children are out there.
Okay.
My 6-year-old's out there.
I'll get a car. All right.
My mom?
They're mad. They're mad. Okay.
Oh yeah, they're gonna, I wouldn't go over there.
What is soup fight?
Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
They're not gonna argue with him.
No.
I just wanted to know what happened. I was being stupid.
Need help? Can you do it on your own?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to take the cuffs off you so I can take this off of you and then we'll put them right back on.
What's happening? Corporals? Good for the jacket to come off?
Yes, that's what I'm taking. You got to take the cuff off first. Pop the jacket.
Alright, we're going to transfer you onto...
Take your cup off now.
Try it this way. these two gentlemen are here to transport you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, all right? Don't give them a hard time.
Lay that one on.
That one? Thank you. Fix my beard and see it. I feel like my beard is showing. It's so embarrassing. So much to fucking lose.
I'm just here. We're gonna go down to these cars.
How come they're not getting arrested? Because that's what basically I did.
I don't know what happened again. We're gonna come on this
I'm
one.
so sorry. Literally, like in the middle of adopting a child.
Listen.
I have no idea. I'm a fucking trauma ICU nurse. Like, you have no idea. He's so mean. Like, what is he doing
I don't
right
know
now?
what happened. Okay, help him. We're gonna help you. I'll turn the AC up for you guys.
On the use of force, this incident sat at the lowest tier of the Graham versus Connor framework. Verbal commands, soft, empty hand control during cuffing, no strikes, no weapons drawn, no intermediate force tools. A Section 1983 excessive force claim on these facts would not survive screening. On voluntary statements, under Pennsylvania versus Muniz, statements made outside of formal interrogation are admissible. The disclosure of personal context children adoption process was not the product of interrogation. It was volunteered. Each detail becomes part of the record for charging, bond, and sentencing decisions. On the FBI question raised by a subject on camera, the Federal Bureau investigates only specific categories of serious onboard offenses under the CVSSA. Misdemeanor-level interference and underage alcohol allegations do not meet that threshold. Local port state law enforcement is the correct receiving agency for a case at this severity level. On the handoff itself, the female officer's closing line, quote, "I have no vested interest in this case," is textbook custody transfer language. It marks the end of cruise vessel security authority and the beginning of traditional Fourth Amendment, Fifth Amendment, and Miranda doctrine applied through sworn law enforcement. Grades. The lead cruise officer, a B. Reasonable suspicion was articulated on camera. Purse seizure was justified contemporaneously. Force was minimal. Points off for tone control during the early verbal exchange, and for moving to physical contact slightly before all verbal options were exhausted. The female officer who responded to the accommodation request, an A-, pre-announced every physical contact step. Professional and respectful tone with both subjects. Clean handoff language at transport. Slightly delayed arrival is the only deduction. The detained young woman, a B-. Verbal cooperation with the ID request. No physical resistance. The religious accommodation request was made calmly. Points off for vocal engagement during her relative's arrest, which contributed to scene chaos, and for volunteering personal information that may complicate her own legal position. The intervening male adult, a D. He converted a routine ID verification into a multi-party arrest. Verbal interference. Physical positioning between officer and detainee. Attempt to control the seized purse. The First Amendment protected his criticism. It did not protect his conduct. The female bystander group, a C+. The request for a female officer was legally legitimate and was, in fact, honored. Points off for the volume and persistence of demands during an active arrest, which amplified scene chaos. A single calm request would have produced the same operational result with significantly lower friction. Outcome: the on-camera footage does not include disposition information. Likely path: state-level prosecution at the embarkation-port under Florida Statutes 843.02 and possibly 562.1, 11 and 877.03. CVSSA threshold for federal involvement was not met. No public docket entry was located at time of analysis. Lessons: 1. A cruise ship is not a legal vacuum. Title 18, Section 7, brings any U.S. touching voyage within the special maritime and territorial jurisdiction of the United States. The conduct that would be charged on land remains chargeable at sea. Only the chain of authority and the receiving agency change. 2. The line between protected speech and obstruction is conduct, not volume. You may criticize officers as harshly as you wish under City of Houston versus Hill. The moment you position yourself between officer and detainee or reach for seized property, the First Amendment stops protecting you. Section 843.02 starts applying. 3. Religious accommodation requests for a same-gender officer are operationally honored across the industry where feasible. Make the request once, calmly. Repeat it only if ignored. Sustained demands during an active arrest, amplify chaos, and reduce the speed at which the accommodation can actually be delivered. 4. Third-party intervention during a relative's lawful detention is the most common path to compounding a routine investigative stop into a multi-charge arrest scene. The relative cannot be helped by physical interference. The interferer can only generate independent criminal exposure for himself. 5. Voluntary disclosure of personal context, children, adoption status, prior relationships during cuffing is admissible under Pennsylvania versus Muniz, even without Miranda warnings. Bond hearings and sentencing decisions consider these disclosures. Silence until counsel arrives remains the safest legal posture in any custodial setting. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts on the case below, and check out Street Bodycam for more police and courtroom content.